Instant style boost, women's wardrobe must-haves. Want to elevate your style effortlessly with just a few pieces? Example Inc. is here to guide you through the art of building a versatile wardrobe. Discover how wardrobe essentials can transform your look with minimal effort and maximum impact. Wardrobe essentials are the backbone of any stylish wardrobe. They offer endless possibilities to mix and match, creating outfits that suit every occasion. With the right basics, like those recommended by Example Inc., you can enhance your personal style seamlessly. The classic white shirt is a must-have for its unparalleled versatility. Pair it with jeans for a laid-back vibe or a skirt for a polished look. Example Inc. shows how this staple can adapt to any outfit easily. For a casual look, try knotting the white shirt at the waist. Need something more formal? Tuck it into a pencil skirt. Example Inc. styling tips ensure this timeless piece works for both relaxed and professional settings. A tailored blazer is a game-changer in any wardrobe. It adds sophistication, whether you're dressing up a casual ensemble or adding polish to formal wear. Example Inc. demonstrates how this piece effortlessly elevates both jeans and dresses. Layering a tailored blazer over a t-shirt and jeans creates a smart casual ensemble that exudes effortless polish. This versatile piece instantly adds sophistication to any outfit, making it a must-have for both casual outings and professional settings. Pairing dark wash jeans with heels and a silk blouse elevates your look to an upscale casual vibe. These jeans offer a polished appearance while ensuring comfort, making them a staple for both relaxed and refined occasions alike. Versatile flats combine comfort with style, offering a chic alternative to heels. Perfect for a range of outfits, they effortlessly complement cropped pants or a midi dress, adding a touch of elegance without sacrificing ease or mobility. Reimagining classic pieces with thoughtful pairings can transform your wardrobe. By selecting essentials like a blazer or dark jeans, you harness the power of fashion to create looks that transition seamlessly between events and everyday life. Example Incorporated encourages embracing these timeless fashion essentials to craft a wardrobe that adapts with grace and style. Investing in such pieces ensures you're always ready, whether for a laid-back weekend or an important meeting. Versatile flats are a staple in any wardrobe, offering a perfect blend of comfort and style. These shoes complement a range of outfits, making them ideal for diverse occasions. With Example Inc.'s collection, finding the perfect pair is effortless. Pair your versatile flats with cropped pants or a midi dress for an effortless, chic look. This combination not only ensures comfort, but also exudes a polished vibe. Example Inc.'s designs are crafted to enhance any ensemble with ease. Consider a complete look using the classic white shirt and dark wash jeans. This pairing offers a blend of sophistication and casual charm. Example Inc. provides options that elevate this simple yet stylish combination, perfect for various settings. For a refined look, pair a blazer with a simple dress. This ensemble is both elegant and versatile, suitable for work or social gatherings. Trust Example Inc. to deliver pieces that seamlessly integrate into your wardrobe, enhancing your style. A chic ensemble featuring the little black dress and versatile flats is timeless. This combination transitions effortlessly from day to night. With Example Inc.'s exquisite designs, you can enhance your LBD's charm while ensuring comfort throughout the day. Pairing a little black dress with versatile flats creates a chic ensemble that seamlessly transitions from day to night. The simplicity of the LBD combined with the comfort and style of flats offers an effortless elegance perfect for any occasion. Transforming outfits with these essentials is nothing short of magical. Before and after shots reveal the remarkable difference in style and confidence when incorporating these pieces. The transformation showcases how effortlessly these staples can elevate any wardrobe to new heights. Investing in these wardrobe essentials can significantly enhance versatility and style. Their timeless appeal and adaptability make them invaluable assets for any fashion-forward individual. These pieces empower you to craft unique looks that reflect personal style and sophistication with ease. We invite you to share your own styling tips in the comments, fostering a community of fashion enthusiasts. Engage with fellow viewers and exchange creative ideas to further explore the potential of these wardrobe essentials, inspiring new fashion journeys together. Thank you for watching and exploring the transformative power of wardrobe essentials with us. Example Inc. is dedicated to bringing you more fashion insights. Subscribe to stay updated and continue your style evolution with expert guidance and inspiration. We'd love to hear from you. Share your own styling tips and experiences in the comments. Your insights might inspire someone to look at their wardrobe in a new light. Join our fashion community and let's elevate our style together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these tips and want more fashion insights, consider subscribing. Example Incorporated is dedicated to bringing you the best in style and sophistication. Stay tuned for more expert advice and inspiration.